Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm your host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Tuesday. Looking at the radar right now, nothing going on inside the state of South Carolina right now, so we're good in terms of South Carolina. Move our way up, though, to the airport mess, and we go to the winter weather radar. Zoom our way out. You can see, this is last updated at 9:52. Interesting. All right, so we don't have the winter weather radar with us today, but we do have our regular watches, alerts, and all that kind of stuff. That still works. So, severe thunderstorms going up there inside of northern Indiana and northwestern Ohio. You have some other storms that's going on in Michigan as well. And that's all I'm seeing really for right now. Again, the winter weather radar is kind of down right now. I don't know why it's doing that. The reflectivity is up though, so yeah, I guess we could look at that. But rain down there inside of Florida, rain off the coast of South Carolina, even some rain over here inside of the southwestern United States. We also do have some rain, kind of like some isolated showers going through the central United States, some severe weather going through Indiana and Ohio, like we just talked about, as well as up here inside of Michigan. And we do have just a regular line of gusty winds going through like Iowa, western Illinois, maybe going through northern Missouri, and a couple probably in like 30 or so minutes or so. It will enter Missouri. Here's our current cloud cover. Cloud cover really just stays confined towards the coast, but it still is pretty nice out there. I mean, I told y'all last night, I said that it will probably be a very clear day today, and it's looking to be like that. If these clouds can get out of here fast enough, everyone inside the state will be clear. So that's a great thing. Hopefully hopefully that happens. It's sunny outside of my house right now, so I mean, I hope that it can get out early enough. But it seems like most of that cloud cover could find up there near Myrtle Beach. Here's our cloud cover for the future. Here's just another thing you can look at to see when it's gonna leave, and you can see that it kind of stays. It's gonna get like less cloud cover will be in the area, and if we push it forward some more scattered cloud cover will continue through, and then finally it will try to build its way back up again, going into like late tonight, and stay again towards the coast, and then here is around 24 hours or so from now. You can see that again. Most of the cloud cover actually gets transferred up to the upstate, and then the Lowcountry and the coastal regions that was seeing the cloud cover are no longer really gonna have it too much anymore. Here's our temperatures right now: 89 in Columbia, 88 in Charleston, 84 in Myrtle Beach, 91 in Augusta, 84 in Greenville, 86 in Rock Hill, 86 in Anderson, and 91 in Kingstree, 93 in Barnwell, and 91 in Augusta. High temperatures for today around 98 in Aiken, 99 in Columbia, 98 in Orangeburg, 96 in Walterboro, 92 in Charleston, 94 in Moncks Corner, 89 in Myrtle Beach, 92 in Georgetown, 98 in Sherrod, 97 in Florence, and 98 in Sumter. Here's our peak sustained wind for the day. Again, mainly around the 5 to 10 miles an hour region throughout most of South Carolina. But once you get towards the coast, it will again increase because, the closer you get to the water, the higher the gust will usually get, the higher the wind will usually be. And you can see here, again, just around 18 miles per hour again up there for like Greenville, Anderson, 16 for Greenwood, Lawrence, 13 for Columbia, 15 for Charleston, 16 for Hilton Head Island, 18 for Myrtle Beach, 10 for Walterboro, 9 Moncks Corner, 13 in Sumter, 14 in Florence as well. So, I mean, it's going to be a pretty calm day. There could be like some minor instances of maybe, okay, you can feel it like on your face, you can see stuff blowing around, but it's not going to be huge or anything like that. Here's our forecast precipitation for the next 24 hours. This is from now all the way until tomorrow, 8 o'clock in the morning. And we do have around maybe a good quarter of an inch to a half an inch possible in the Somerville, Ridgeville region as well. Tenth to a quarter of an inch for Moncks Corner. Tenth to a quarter of an inch for Walterboro. Same thing with a tenth and a quarter of an inch possible for places down there near like Allendale. Maybe a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch for Charleston, Sumter, Orangeburg and Barnwell as well. So we'll look at the models in a second. But I do want to talk about this because here's our day one categorical outlook. This right here is pretty much just a TSTM for Columbia all the way down towards the coast, so like Monk's Corner, Myrtle Beach, Charleston, all the way down towards Beaufort, Hilton Head Island as well. Augusta's in there as well. Aiken is in there. So everyone inside of these regions have to watch out for a couple of thunderstorms because it is possible. It is possible. Let's go and look at the models for today. Push this forward. You can see that there goes those thunderstorms starting to kick up around 3 o'clock near the, pretty much from Monk's Corner all the way down to the Tri-County region, through close to Walterboro and actually close to Savannah as well. That will again try to disperse, but still try to remain intact. And it's really gonna last around a good 3 hours or so. Like starting at 3, and you continue, and then showers keep on forming. And then once you get to around like 11, 12 o'clock, all the showers will probably be gone. So it's gonna be some thunderstorms probably most likely in the Lowcountry of South Carolina. I think that's where the most thunderstorms are going to form. Though that's where the models are thinking that they're going to form as well. So we'll keep on watching that. And let's talk about the tropics. So we again have this 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook. And pretty much the same thing, nothing updated as of yesterday. But it just says a westward moving tropical wave located over the southeastern Caribbean Sea is producing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. The environmental conditions can appear conducive for slow development once the wave reaches the western Caribbean late this week. So nothing really new to that. So that's all that I have. Here's one last look at the radar if you want to see it. Here's the Charleston radar. Here's the Columbia radar. Just give you one last look. And that's all that I have. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday. Make sure you guys hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. Also make sure to share to everyone that you know. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your day.